Hey folks, Dan from Precision Mobile Auto Detailing. Got another coated vehicle for you. This one's a 2005 Mercedes Benz SL55. We did a one-step paint correction on this car. That's all it really needed to get that white paint looking nice and perfect again. And then we topped it off with our, for protection, ease of maintenance, we did our top tier Kenzo coating from IGL Coatings. We did the wheels. Those are all coated, so make it super easy to clean those wheels and keep them looking nice and shiny. We also did the interior leather fabric, all protected from staining. Now this car is going to be super easy to maintain. No more waxing, simple, easy washing. It's just going to be a beauty to have. And I do a good job on black cars, but on this white, this is a stunner. I don't think this video is going to do it justice. But if anybody's interested in a ceramic coating or any kind of polishing, you give me a call at 716-316-7072, or you can check out the website at precisionmobileautodetailing.com. And don't forget to clean, protect, and maintain your vehicle. I'll see you guys in the next video.